Hello, everyone. We're here at Scratch, and this is a little tutorial on showing you how to take a look at making your avatar, your Scratch sprite move before you actually use any event handlers. And so, what I like to do is before I try to figure out what I wanted to do, I just simply click on the block. For example, we see our Scratch cat here, and I'm going to let me get this out of the way. And what we're going to do is we're going to have the scratch cat move by simply selecting these little blocks, but we're just going to click the little blocks and watch him move. Now, if you notice, it says move 10 steps. See how small 10 steps? Super small, but if I wanted to give the illusion that he's walking, I probably should increase these steps. So let's try increasing these steps. Let's try 50. Let's see what that looks like. So I'm going to select the block again. And as you can see, I like that one better. It looks like he's moving across, um, you know, the street or the road or whatever. Now, when I start programming, I want to have my scratch cat begin somewhere special. If I want my cat to begin walking in this position here, I'm going to look at this number here, and I'm going to look at this number here. And I say that because this is the points that I need of the placement points, the X and the Y axis, where I want him to start where his movement. So what I do is I'm going to go over here to where it says go to negative 191, negative 125, just like what we have here. And I'm going to grab this block and place it right here in this area because every time my program starts, I want my cat to start walking this way. Okay. All right. So I have that. So then once it's set up, when the program runs, then the cat is going to move um, 50 steps. Okay, so let's count how many steps it takes for him to go across. So we'll go here, we'll say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so I'm gonna put him back here. And so we'll pull out 8 blocks. All right. Now this is a little bit lengthy, but this is because we're just getting started, and I just want you to see every little way of how we can program this. Now later on, I'm going to show you some other blocks we can use, so you don't have to use this many blocks. But right now, we're just going to pull out all these blocks, and I'm going to show you uh, um, a way to make this a little bit easy. All right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and let's do one more 8. All right, so to get this uh, program started, I need an event handler. So I'm going to go to event, and I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, just like we've done with our other programs. All right, so when we do that, he goes across just like that, like he's running across. But what if I want the scratch cat, to maybe take a little bit of time in between? What I can do is I can maybe get put these to the side because I still want you to understand what we're doing. We'll put these to the side, but let's put in a wait block. So let's go to control, and we'll have him wait and see what happens when I put a wait block in between the move blocks. Okay, so I'm going to grab one of these move blocks, and then I'm going to go get another wait. And let's see what happens when I do that. Now, there are easier ways to do this, but right, like I said, for purposes of what we're doing, I want you to see every little step. So we'll do a couple more, and then we're going to run the program. So I want you to see what this looks like. Okay, so when the flag is clicked, Our cat is going to automatically go right here. So let's see if that happens. Let's click the green flag. Okay, so that worked pretty well. Now, so that we don't have so many blocks, we're going to use what's called a repeat block. Okay, so we're going to take this, we'll put that in the trash, take all this, and we'll put it in the trash. And so, what we're going to do is we're going to repeat this section. All right, so I'm going to see what it looks like when we put a repeat block right here. And let's see what happens. Now we have the move, we have the repeat, wait, and we have the move. I think I'm gonna move this out the way. I think what I want to do is I want to put all of this inside. So let's try that. We're gonna put all of this here, and then we'll put this block on top. All right. So hopefully it'll work. Now remember, when the green flag is clicked, this cat is supposed to go to this area right here. Okay, that's what these numbers mean. All right, so let's see if that happens. That's pretty good. Now he's over a little bit farther than I would like, but you get the idea. Okay. All right, so that's one way that we can get our cat to move. All right, so let's go ahead and get rid of all of that. So when you want your cat to start, starting position, remember to look at the numbers here and then go to your motion block here, your movement block, and then go ahead and select wherever the number is that you want to start off with. That's what you pull out first. So let's try that and see what happens.